Do you want glowing and gorgeous skin? 7 simple tips to attain a bright, even complexion. Number 1. Eat nutritious food. Make sure you are eating lots of vegetables, fruits, and low-fat dairy products in the daily diet for the skin to get glowing from inside. Drink plenty of water. Guzzle down at least 8 glasses of water daily to flush out toxins from the body, keep you hydrated, and provide a natural glow to the skin. Use a sunscreen. Double your skin, including face, hands, feet, with generous amounts of sunscreen to avoid tan, freckles. Number 4. Sleep well. Make sure to catch sound sleep for 8 hours to avoid skin breakouts, dark circles, and a dull, dark complexion. Number 5. Routine cleansing detox. Drinking a glass of lukewarm water with a little lemon juice and a dash of honey on an empty stomach works wonders for flawless and radiant skin. Nourishing night creams. Applying a night cream with skin-friendly ingredients such as vitamin A, C, E, emollients like shea butter, essential oils of tea tree, rose, and peptides visibly enhance skin complexion. Number 7. Relaxing oil massage. Rubbing in some wholesome argan oil or groundnut oil in circular motions helps to relieve the tension in facial muscles. Leave a hat if it helps.